Mike, check. You see my phone? Come on, my phone. Somebody hit me up on Uber. Oh, I got another too. Damn. $7 tilt, that's what I'm talking about.
What's going on, brother?
What it do?
Yeah, checking, bro. Ain't shit much.
Oh, that's Ali?
Yes, sir.
What it do, my guy? And my
Same
boy said
old
he
shit.
worked 10-hour days. Bro, you better get on this motherfucker.
You know, them 410s be kicking ass. Well, I don't know if you do 410s, but
Oh, man, no, I know how it is. Fucking, I'm only on here for a minute.
third shit.
Trying to get everybody riled up. XRP doing his thing. XRP, what you think? Liquidity grab or are we going lower?
I would like to see it go lower, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
You think
Possibility, but I ain't think
that's just
so.
turtle soup? Turtle soup? That's a mean turtle soup, though. But it was kind of expected, though. It was kind of
It was expected.
expected, though, for real. I'm trying to see what these boys are. These boys are. Let me see. I seen Nate said something.
Yeah,
That's how it knows
I've
to
been
go
selling
higher.
that Bitcoin from about at the top though.
Oh, you been selling it?
Hell yeah.
Damn.
I sold it from when it peaked out, but at like let me see. Yeah, I'm at the top of on the daily wick. That last daily wick. Yeah, I'm at like 100,785 entry.
Oh yeah,
on
you up
that
there?
bit. It looking like that bit want to go up though, man. But ain't no telling that bit fall out the sky on you.
See, that's what I'm thinking. I think that's just like a liquidity run. Like just took out some lows.
Yeah, take out some stops or some shit. I don't
Cause
know.
right here, because we got SMT diversion right here. So we got my arrows. So we got right here. We got a higher low. Oh damn! Pick this up.
Nigga, what is you chewing over there? Your bro over there grabbing. Nigga, all I saw was nigga just a bucket, a dark ass nigga chewing.
Hey, no.
Who was that?
I see that
Oh
shit.
man!
I see that shit.
Hell no! Y'all tripping.
Hey, bro, looking down at the screen and shit.
I'm telling you, boy, that nigga's hungry. Help him.
My bad, nigga.
Look at you. Look at you. Look at
So that's what I'm looking at right there. I'm looking at the SMT divergence. I feel like that was just like a mean liquidity grab right there.
Nigga, it was the whole point of the whole bull cycle. You'll see more of it. You won't see an 80% drop like how you saw before. You might go 30 or 40, but you're gonna see this continually over the next couple of months. And then you gotta look at also about like where BlackRock is putting their money, EFTs, and I mean ETFs and all that type of shit, man. Like it's a lot more to it, but you got to pay attention to just in what's on the chart because those wits basically were the ones to tell you exactly what was going on. But you could have seen a lot of people seen it happen. Man, I got homies down 100K. You know what I'm saying? The niggas is not even worried about it. You know what I mean? So you just got to pay attention to that shit too. But you trying to play price and shit like that at this point, that whole liquidation event was your opportunity for you to enter. And you know what I'm saying? And if you wanted to win big, to risk big, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, but you know what I'm saying? It's just that's a part of the bull cycle, bro. It happens every 4 years. You know what I'm saying? If you missed out on this event, you just gotta wait another 4 years. Cause once the bear market hits, probably like sometime next year, you know what I mean? You're gonna have 2.5 years for you to build up what you need to make what you want. You know what I'm saying? But if you wasn't prepared for that after the halving and all that other shit, then you know what I'm saying? All you can do is watch, bro. You know what I'm saying? All I'm doing is watching and laughing because it's a lot of people who really shitting bricks. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, that was like a $1.5 billion liquidation event, bro. It hit every long leverage person ever. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Right.
the whole point of it was to knock everybody out and confuse everybody.
That's the thing. Like, if you buy like let's say you got $500 and you buy Bitcoin, you're not even gonna get one Bitcoin. But if you spend $500 on XRP, you're gonna get what, like 250 coins or a little bit less than that.
I mean, yeah, you looking at the cheaper price, most definitely. You know what I'm saying? But then at the same time, you got to look at the longevity of what you want to make and the type of profits you want to make. XRP is gonna be one of those things, man, that you're not gonna look at for another 10 years.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like if you and all these coins that are dirt cheap like that, you know what I'm saying? And if you haven't been involved in those other coins that are, way up there, in the thousands and shit like that, like maybe 5 or 6 years ago, you know what I'm saying? You wouldn't have been what you to see. You know what I'm saying? So that's the bigger thing is just you being strategic about what you're doing and what you're looking at. Like I look at a lot of shit that has a low market cap, but has the possibility of getting into the billions within the next couple of years. And those coins are dead dirt cheap. You know what I'm saying? Where you got them where they're under a penny or they're a penny or 2 pennies or whatever, what have you. Those are the coins that you want to look at for the next market cycle. At this point, you know what I'm saying? Like all the other ones that you've seen shoot up like that basically have already been a part of that cycle from the years past. You know what I'm saying? That's when like the first cycle for XRP was when it hit that all-time high to $3. Well, $3.10, I believe. You know what I'm saying? So now what you're doing is you're going to just basically pile your shit on there because now XRP is not getting motion after what, 5 or 6 years. You know what I'm saying? So
this is what I'm seeing right here. I'm seeing it dropping all the way to below $1.29 based on this CRT. Because that's basically a turtle soup right there. It ran that high fake breakout. We could really see it drop all the way down here. And that really would be right because that's the last liquidity. That's the fair value gap right there.
but what was last year's all-time high?
Let's see here. Last year, I can't even see it on this chart.
You on a weekly? Well, go to a monthly.
$1.96. That was the high of 2021.
Right, $1.09. Yeah, I can't even. This chart right here ain't showing me everything. Let me go to another one. Which one do y'all use? Do y'all prefer Coinbase or Binance?
Coinbase.
Well, it depends on our chart history.
It's either
some
Net or
Coinbase,
Bitstamp. Coinbase or Bitstamp. I don't use Binance anymore because they're too finicky.
Yeah, so either Bitstamp or Coinbase.
Okay, I'm gonna use this one just for this right here because it's showing me where it was last year. I guess we hit what 2023 95 cents.
Right, but you see how it was trickle down during the bear market. Now look at the year before. That's a monthly. Look at the year before, and you see that high peak at the year before. Now, mind you, that was 1, 2, 3 years ago. So that would be in pertaining to the end of basically the bull market cycle, and then it went back again and went into a bear market.
Ooh, we got all this to fill in. We might be going back to 67 cents.
I doubt it's gonna go that low. You're gonna have to break first. You're gonna need to, it's gonna retest last year's all-time high. Then
Right.
you might, then you might go back into that range, and it'll range for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But XRP does that. Doesn't. XRP moves way different than Bitcoin does. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Basically, what it's gonna do is it's gonna cycle down and it's gonna shuffle, and all it does is it's gonna scare people. That's basically what everybody's doing. Once you start seeing like ETFs open up for XRP and things like that, where you see big banks, well not big banks, but like BlackRock and all of them throwing money into it, is when that's your signal for you to be like, all right, now I need to really buy a lot of it. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of what the price is. You know what I'm saying? So that's the bigger thing too, is you looking at those
Fuck is
highs and
that?
those lows from the events from last, you know what I'm saying, from last cycle. You know what I'm saying? Once again, you know what I'm saying, you got every 4 years for you to figure it out. That's the bigger thing too, is you got time to prepare. So now that you've seen this whole liquidation event, now you know what to look for in 2028. Cause
I'm
that's
just
when
tripping.
I'm throwing the house on the shit in 2028. Like I'm finna save money for like 3 years to be able to put into that, cause then I know I can make a solid amount of money within a couple of months.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Let's check out SOL. See what it's doing.
Yeah, where you think Solana going? You headed for Ethereum prices?
No, not right now. It's got to get past 420, but it's you might see it's got to get between 187.65 and 165. Hold on, I had the number right here. What is it?
Is that the all-time high for Solana right here? 268.
268 is, yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you the number to look at. It's 2 levels. It's on the field. My partner just sent this to me. 187.32 and 169.07. If it breaks past 187.32, then it's gonna go to 169.07, and that'll be the new floor. But you see, everything is created a floor today. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So it more than likely you're gonna see price turn around over the next week. You know what I'm saying? Or it might continue to be bearish for the rest of the week. You know what I mean? And you might see some movement, daily movement, but you ain't gonna see too much of on a weekly trend. You know what I'm saying? It's still gonna, you know what I'm saying, work it out from what it's, for, you know what I'm saying, for what it's worth. But I doubt it's gonna get below those 2 levels, because that's the golden zone right now for them.
Check Vechain.
What's the symbol for that?
VET. Use that from CryptoCap.
Which one?
The CryptoCap one.
Get back to that. Crypto cap. Ooh. 6 billion.
That's the whole market cap. You looking at the market cap.
Oh, that's the market cap right here.
Yeah, I mean, but see, they keep pumping that one into the market, but that one won't go over like some cents. But you see the progression of how it progressively builds and sells off. Saying, but it's been on a progression for some years. You know
This one about to go up. This is CRT right here. Can you see how basically it was consolidating inside of that candle, and then it broke that low right there? So that's a turtle soup. So what is this? What is this VET? Is that a crypto?
Yeah, it's Vechain.
Yeah.
What's another one y'all be on?
Bonk, BONK.
Yeah, that's a nice one. I like how that. I
You
like
can
how
do
it
that one with the
trades
tether.
too.
Yeah, do that one with the tether.
Let's see what we got on the weekly. So that was predictable. I should have seen that sell right there. So that's at an all-time high right now.
Yeah, and you're still not even over a penny.
Yeah. Let's see.
So y'all think gonna happen for the rest of the month? Consolidation or?
Nah, nigga, that shit finna shoot up, and then you're gonna start seeing these massive drops. Because all they're doing is trying to liquidate all the loans. Because it's leveraged traders who are trying to get, you know what I'm saying, liquidated. That's why I keep telling everybody to spot trade instead of leverage trade. Because if you spot trade and it doesn't hit your number, it doesn't hit your number. You know what I'm saying? There's really no risk or loss into it. You see what I'm saying? Well, there's risk, but there's really no loss to that degree, like where you don't have a stop loss. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you can put a stop loss in on the spot.
No, you just spot trading, and if it hits your number, it hits your number. Like, but if it goes below, you know what I'm saying? You still trigger it, but it's not going to activate like how you want it to activate. Like with leverage trading, you know, you're gonna have a stop loss there. And what most people do in a bull market is they try to remove their stop loss and then just ride the long. You know what I'm saying? And then they get caught in a liquidation event, which could then take your whole account. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a variety of ways to look at it, to be honest. But you know what I mean? At this point, you know what I'm saying? They say, you know what I'm saying, if you want to DCA in, that's the less risky thing to do. But right now, if you got a whole bunch of money that you want to invest, you better throw it at this shit right now, because you can make a lot of money over the next 4 years.